It's here for Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So the Ebas is here a leaked chat between Shatta Wale and Shatta Michia. Oshe nsema na ekoswa ohun bedru pa oshe nsema na ekoswa ohun ebedru na me transfer de betu aso no subscribe na click notification bell no so na that screen so sisia me share ya no sa pepepe my o subscribe na click notification bell no so na that screen so o ya na sa pepepe latest news and breaking news to say we ba won sa ebeka okay yantia nsem ne so am say endra but the stories bro Shatta Michi make post for social media say on Shatta Wale ejai na mama senso enready Shatta Michi the poster or make it on social media no I say you don't know my struggles cause I never speak up, so don't sit somewhere and judge what you don't know. That was the first one Shatta Michi can. Now second one I'll say I won't come and share my problems on here. I have my life and my son to protect from a lot of things. No one wants to be in an abusive, it's here for abusive no me pese ocean and so mame. No one wants to be in an abusive, draining relationship. I wish certain people won't get involved with delicate matters. I want to be able to smile genuinely and not keep hiding tears behind my smiles in front of everyone. Or you know, so they can say, I have no energy to speak, but when I do, you all can be judged, since everyone is quick to judge. Not to say, baby, I make us say abusive news. So no, to say Shatta Michi bezo to say on the Shatta Wale relationship. No, it is very abusive. Now, yenya article be samikemedia.com. Screenshots become one say Shatta Michi and Samike claim say Shatta Michi na or sending no this screenshot. Now if it's between Shatta Michi and Shatta Wale and Padia, then verbal abuse in I mean this video no and during their chat no it was very real. You know metro chat no we will go through the chat now it's here for more here papa, but me read the article no in free samikemedia.com and I say Samike Media has received a series of screenshots depicting a chat between dancehall musician Shatta Wale and her baby mama over the breakup of their relationship. Some parts of the chat indicated Michi begging Shatta Wale to help her set up a joint known or a joint she intends to call Chopios. Munim say of late Shatta Wale a posty a year Chopios on any Facebook page. So na food joints BM say they sell gizzard and plantain. Now me come in say Shatta Michi there. Na lately Shatta Wale ekasa about Chopios cry no Shatta Wale no ne Snapchat so enti article where my says Chopios cry say Shatta Michi there. Now it was to sell gizzard and fried plantain, but Shatta Wale furiously refused and started raining insults on her. In a conversation with Samike Media, Michi denied running away in Shatta Wale's car as she provided evidence of ownership. Not to say, in some na elko round say, Michi the Shatta Wale ne car no Michi deny, but Michi provided ownership. Say car now must say or the no car no woni dimu into a no ne car. Now story need to answer another section of the chat depicts Shatta Wale angry at Shatta Michi for telling him about how ill she is. Hence demanded little attention from Shatta Wale. The last part of the chat depicted Shatta Wale calling the relationship a quit. However, Michi told Samike Media she is also done with Shatta Wale. Therefore, let's go straight into the screenshot now. Osha first screenshot now, and our screen so Michi etro wow, and Shatta Wale throw say, you know what? Stop this Chopios thing. Stop it. Don't let me hear you saying it again. You so foolish, very foolish, for seeing me like how you see me. It's here for and then the chat now air no and it's alleged say a chat between Shatta Wale and Michi. Michi etro say I am sick And all I said was our convo shouldn't always be like that, and this is what I get. And Shatta Wale Tro said, stop Kerala. Mze Michi, the other name Kerala. And Michi I can't say no worry Junior. Mwamu say Shatta Wale so the other name Junior. Into no or the chair so Michi the chair say no worries Junior. And Shatta Wale Tro kwasia. And Michi Tro I will sorry thanks. Na a chair so Shatta Wale Tro say let me hear anything chop yours and you smell it. If you don't respect me and can't respect you as a man, not just a Shatta Wale kata Shatta Michi says, so to me mbumia, mean to me any day embu. And Michi Tro say, you didn't just meet me. I have respected and loved you a lot. Don't lie to yourself. And Shatta Wale Tro say, fuck you, Michelle. You don't love and respect me. So please let it be like that. Not just say Shatta Wale katre Shatta Michi say Shatta Michi katre Shatta Wale say me do na Shatta Wale ka say dabi ondo me na senia yete no me enti sa na conversation net ya so Shatta Michi Tro say I don't love you, huh? And Shatta Wale Tro say just don't let me see you saying you want to work under my nose. And Michi Tro say it hurts. And Shatta Wale Tro say you so stupid to be talking to me like this day. And Shatta Michi Tro say God knows I have had nothing but good love for you, even more than I loved myself. Realize it. Na Oshe convo na ekoso a etie for enye bete kra. Na yansa so kwa another screenshot. So I say Shatta Wale say yes. Don't let me smell that. Otherwise, you'll find that man who will buy a house and born the next majesty and make you happy, since I don't. Stupid life. Michi Tro said, no worries. We haven't even done it in a while. Sorry for offending you, but I'm sick. So please, all I wanted was steak, not this. Sorry for even asking. And Shatta Wale Tro said, don't ever try to work under my nose. I feed you. I said, don't ever try to work under my nose. I feed you. And Michi Tro said, no worries. And Shatta Wale Tro said, fuck you. And Michi Tro said, thanks. It's here for senior me can no share convo na ekoso nya better. Na another screenshot. It also say Shatta Michi na ka say I say I only asked for a little softness today. If you don't feel it, then just let it go. Sorry for offending you. Na Shatta Michi Tro we no and Shatta Wale Tro say when you speak to other women, I doubt it's always a lecture like it is with me. It is 2019. Balance it out. And I just say Shatta Wale say into only mbafo fro ekasa senior only make us say lecture no me doubt say only mbafo fro kasa no so sa na eti na okatende say 2019 into no onhu senior obetutu nyama ye no we not to say you want me to go and lecture other women, right? Kwasia, do you know how many women want their husbands to talk to them and they don't get? Now Oyena Shatta Michi Tro says, sorry for offending you. And Shatta Wale Tro says, you should be glad your man is not a drunkard like your ex. That is Shatta Wale catch Shatta Michi say, say we need say me am ya obema no. Na me am ya boy no. Me nya currency to say ex. You are a fool for telling me all this. After what you know, Julio has done. Julio Shatta Wale manager. Tioka said, after what you know Julio has done, you are a fool to make me feel more angry when you already know I'm angry. What kind of girlfriend are you? Not to say say na Emra Shatta Wale ene Shatta Michi kasano. Sa time na Shatta Wale buefu fi say Shatawale manager no na waye ni bibia ama Shatawale buefu nti na Shatawale Katamichi say unim de me manager na ya ama me buefu nso obema me buefu na okra no oba ben kra na okra michi oya o ma me buefu she me bufu sa no na Shatawale we no the chance say don't tell me sorry, be sorry for your shameful self of not trusting even me. Majesty's dad is disgraced like your mom's disgrace she's facing now. What do you take me for? Now it's here for Convoy, they're very strongly worded. I say, what do you take me for? Kwasia, that same gun bush boy got you a fucking 8-bedroom with fleet of cars and cash you spending. Na minim say Convoy name no Shatamichi eka say Shatawale bush boy baby and na Shatawale ka say me bush boy me offer me bush boy no me my pet 8-bedroom house amount and the cars are just say egum any car wawudi we know the car say foolish girl to tell me what you feel you can because you don't rate me as a man in your life. Not just say we Jimmy Pan say o kan wa bian trem fi say hu say me no me nyu bia o about wa brabum and the child said don't be stupid, you make I just bought today wa what the hell greedy bastard. We know answer the child say you just appreciate what this young man has done in your life, you need an old man to do it for you, to respect him. Now it's here for conversation na NDO o share screenshots na ND and some child say what the hell greedy bastard, you just appreciate what intermediaries aside. Then Michi reply say I believe I've also played a small role in your life, Junior. You don't give things to a woman who doesn't deserve it. We all make mistakes. I offended you and I'm sorry. I've never been greedy to you. I'm sorry for everything. Not just say ahano Michi nekra ama and Michi no actress oh Shatawale we dear me aminim say my obone na me sorry na ye na no ye nipa mfunso ewo ye ho na o keka say wa ma me ndan ene ye njapade no na wo hwa obema bia ni ho a ode ni sika ebema oba unless obema ni hu say oh oba we dear o se fata say me de sika bema no na Shatamichi sanso chiazo say the way you wanna be pampered sometimes that's how I feel too sometimes, especially today, because I'm really not feeling good. All I asked was just spare me today, treat me how I treat you. I didn't intend for this to escalate, really sorry. Yeah, na Shatamichi eka say oh we there one share that so ma Shatawale buefu na oh you sorry na senia Shatawale opese ye krokro no sometimes ono Shatamichi no so sana ono so ope na ne ho emfa no na ende de no opese Shatawale krokro no kakra keke no to aso a na Shatawale ka say fuck you, I don't need your apologies, take it, I don't want to be pampered. Na we na Shatawale sanso de chiazo say it's over, okay? Do what pleases you. Kill Majesty and chop him. I'm moving on. Trust me, it's over. You think I'm joking, yeah? You make Majesty call me and tell me I shan't do that again. Good. Don't try coming to that house. It's locked and you never enter again. Mark it. And I Shatamichi Trust said, please, I never asked him to call you. I just saw it. Really sorry. No worries. I'm over offending you. Be happy. Naturally say break up no. I say na break up no. Eba and last screenshot no. Shatawale Trust say fuck you. You are a disgrace in my life. And I Shatamichi Trust say God bless you. Now it's here for Oshe the air course what happen. It's here for Oshe the air course what happen. I don't say hey. It's a serious issue. It's a very very serious issue. But one thing is Shatamichi didn't show the part of the charter. Ono ema Shatawale bufuye na obviously no we Shatamichi no leaky way and there metumi atral so Shatamichi na oliki chat way, but when show the part of the charter one will say admittedly Shatamichi eka say oh yeah sorry say wa man Shatawale buefu, but when you show the part of the charter ana asemo okan ya na de oye ya ma Shatawale bufu ya na o didi na terms and it's for when the latest news breaking news ever this year we will keep you updated. Subscribe to the channel when I click the notification bell on, so that's it.